Okay, so now that we've got our Illustrator file ready for sending to Tinkercad, we want to create a new file in Tinkercad to import our image into so we can make it 3D for printing. So we're going to create new design in Tinkercad. Now, before you start, you want to change the name. So I'm just going to call it Pixel Character. But what you also want to do is give it your name again so that your teacher knows who it belongs to. So we've done that, we've named it, and then we go to import and we locate our SVG file. Click on there and open it and import it. Okay, so what it does is it imports it, and it doesn't import it at the same size that we actually created it in Illustrator. So we know from all the measurements that we've done in Illustrator that the circle will be the right size if we print it out at 60 millimeters for the largest dimension. So to do that, we select our object and then we select one of the corner nodes and we can start moving it in, holding down the shift key, and that means it reduces it or enlarges it in scale and proportion. So you can see here that there are numbers that come up. So I'm going to scroll it down until I get as close to 60 millimeters as I can. So I'd rather go under than over. So I'll leave it there. Okay, so now we've got that. And now we want to move it up. So we want the thickness to be 1 centimetre thick. A centimetre thick at the size that we're printing it will probably take about 40 minutes on the 3D printer. So to get through a whole class, we don't want to make it too thick or we'll be waiting forever. So we're going to click on the center point here and see it says 3.52. So we want to move it up to 10 mil, 7, 8, 9, or 1 centimetre. So there we go. So we've got 10 set there. Okay, so now we've got our character. Over here, if you look at the top left, if you click on top, it'll show you your character. And we want to move it so that we can actually see it. And there we go. Okay, so we've got our character in scale and proportion now. You can see that it's all good. So now we need to export it as an STL file. So you've exported it as an STL file, and then you're going to save that to send to your teacher. Thanks, everyone.